Money can be confusing. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you look at all the numbers, bills, and financial jargon. Many people feel lost when it comes to managing their finances, but it doesn't have to be this way. But managing your money doesn't have to be hard. With a little bit of organization and some basic knowledge, you can take control of your financial situation. It's all about taking small, manageable steps. It's important to be smart with your money. Making informed decisions can help you avoid common pitfalls and set you on the path to financial stability. Educate yourself about interest rates, investments, and savings options. You work hard for your money. Every dollar you earn represents your time and effort. It's crucial to make sure that your hard-earned money is working just as hard for you. You deserve to keep it safe and watch it grow. By making wise financial choices, you can ensure that your money grows over time, providing you with security and peace of mind. When you take control of your money, you can relax. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health. By managing your finances effectively, you can reduce this stress and enjoy a more relaxed life. You can stop worrying about bills. Imagine a life where you don't have to stress about paying your bills on time. By planning and budgeting, you can make this a reality. You can start planning for a better future. Whether it's buying a house, starting a family, or saving for retirement, having control over your finances allows you to plan for and achieve your long-term goals. It all starts with making a plan. A financial plan is like a roadmap that guides you towards your goals. It helps you see where you are, where you want to be, and how to get there. First, figure out how much money you have coming in. This includes your salary, any side income, and other sources of revenue. Knowing your total income is the first step in creating a solid financial plan. Then, figure out how much money you spend each month. Track your expenses to see where your money is going. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and any other regular expenses. This is called a budget. A budget helps you allocate your income towards different expenses and savings. It ensures that you are not spending more than you earn and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Once you have a budget, you can start making a plan to save money. Saving money is crucial for financial security. It provides a safety net for emergencies and helps you achieve your financial goals. Even a little bit of savings can add up over time. You can do it. Start small and be consistent. Over time, your savings will grow, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accumulate. Remember, every little bit counts. Want to see your money grow quickly? There are simple ways to do that. Two great options are high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. High-yield savings accounts are like regular savings accounts, but they pay you more interest. This means your money grows faster. You can access your money easily when you need it. Money market accounts are similar. They also offer higher interest rates. They often come with checks or a debit card. This makes it easy to use your money. Looking for a safe place to grow your money over time? Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a big purchase, or just want to see your savings increase steadily, there are reliable options available. Certificates of deposit or CDs and guaranteed investment certificates or GICs are great options. These financial products are designed to help you grow your money with minimal risk. CDs let you save money for a specific time period. You can choose the term that best fits your financial goals, whether it's short-term or long-term. This could be a few months or a few years. The flexibility in terms allows you to plan according to your financial needs and timelines. You get a guaranteed interest rate. This means that no matter what happens in the market, your interest rate remains the same. This means you know exactly how much your money will grow. There are no surprises, and you can calculate your returns with confidence. GICs are similar to CDs. They offer the same kind of security and predictability. They also offer a guaranteed interest rate for a set time period. This makes them an excellent choice for conservative investors. They are a very safe way to grow your money. With GICs and CDs, you can rest easy knowing your principal is protected and your returns are assured. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to determine which option is best for you. They can help you understand the terms and conditions and how these products fit into your overall financial plan. Diversifying your investments is key to a balanced portfolio. While CDs and GICs are safe, consider them as part of a broader strategy that includes other types of investments. Over the long term, these secure investments can provide a stable foundation for your financial future. Start planning today and watch your money grow steadily and securely. Want your money to work even harder for you? Consider investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. By putting your money into various investment vehicles, you can potentially earn returns that outpace traditional savings accounts. Investing means putting your money into something that has the potential to grow in value. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Each type of investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Stocks are like small pieces of ownership in companies. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a part of that company. The value of your stock can increase if the company performs well, leading to potential profits for you. When companies do well, the value of their stock can go up. Conversely, if a company performs poorly, the value of its stock can decrease. It's important to research and choose companies with strong growth potential. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a basket of stocks. This means your money is spread across multiple companies, reducing the risk of losing all your money if one company underperforms. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on your behalf. This helps spread your risk. Diversification is a key principle in investing, as it helps protect your portfolio from significant losses. By investing in a variety of assets, you can achieve a more balanced and stable return over time. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are similar to mutual funds. They also offer diversification by holding a collection of different assets. However, ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks, which means you can buy and sell them throughout the trading day. They are traded on stock exchanges. This provides flexibility and liquidity, allowing you to react quickly to market changes. ETFs often have lower fees compared to mutual funds, making them a cost-effective option for many investors. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term. By consistently investing and taking advantage of compound interest, your money can grow exponentially. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. So take the first step today and start building your financial future. Section 5. Don't hide your cash. Keep it safe in the bank. Keeping your money at home might seem safe, but it's actually quite risky. Your money could be lost or stolen. Banks offer a much safer option. When you deposit money in a bank, it's insured. This means your money is protected even if something happens to the bank. Banks also make it easy to manage your money. You can access your money easily. You can pay bills online or at ATMs. Section 6. Banks keep your money safe and help it grow. Banks aren't just about keeping your money safe, they can also help your money grow. Banks offer various savings and investment options. You can choose the option that best fits your goals. Whether you want to save for a rainy day or grow your wealth over time, banks have something for you. Banks also provide you with peace of mind. You can rest assured that your money is in good hands. Section 7. Smart ways to save money every day. Saving money doesn't have to be hard. There are simple things you can do every day to keep more money in your pocket. First, always spend less than you make. This is the golden rule of personal finance. Look for budget-friendly alternatives when shopping. Sell unused items online or at consignment stores. Limit your subscriptions to services you actually use. Support local businesses and take advantage of deals and discounts. Every little bit helps. Section 8. You got this. Take charge of your money today. Managing your money doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Create a budget and stick to it. Explore different savings and investment options. Choose the ones that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start. Take control of your financial future today. You've got this.